Hello people of YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a processor and yeah. Sorry. Anyways, to start I'm going to just sing on a paper towel. Anyways, to start we're going to talk about what a processor actually is. A processor is a thing that processes information. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know unless you wanna, So from here it looks like just a bunch of little round things that you plug in until you look to the side. So I wouldn't recommend touching this because at first I thought, until I saw what a processor looked like, I thought it was just a bunch of round things. See as it looks now. But that was an optical illusion. It's actually really spiky things. Yummy. First thing to do is to note where that gold triangle is. That'll be very important. And another thing to know where it is on the thing you'll see the pins kind of you lose some pins there. You use there's 2 pins not there on the thing. So then you're going to look at your socket. This is not the socket because it's not on the motherboard. I'm being stupid right now. So that is the socket right there. Note that the 2 pins on this processor that are not there are also not there on this. Wonder why that is. So to do this, you're going to turn it the right way, where the 2 pins that aren't there are kind of, with the other 2 pins, matching up with the other 2 pins that aren't there. Yeah, I've taken off the thermal paste on here to show you in a sec. You'll see in a sec. Kind of wiggle it around until, boom, locks in. Do not push on it. This, if it's pushed in, will most likely break. Kind of wiggle it around, make sure it's tough in there. Now one thing I'm going to show you is which processor I have. I bet you guys are interested. It is... Oh, is it really too close to focus? You gotta be kidding me. Anyway, maybe you could see that. It's a Pentinum 4, Intel Pentinum. Woo! This is an old computer. Took off the thermal paste because I just wanted to. This is where the thermal paste on this used to be. I'm going to keep the thermal paste on this just for a heck of it. But, you know. Okay, why did it go on? Okay, I've just kind of derped out for some reason. Anyways, that was my tutorial. And oh, you're probably wondering what this is. That's because I was stupid. You see that little thing right there? It's because I was stupid and forgot to mention this. That goes down around. Listen for the click. And there you go. You got your processor installed. Now you can game, do business work, whatever you were planning to do with your new processor. Ugh. Here's my case. It's a stupid case. Yeah, it's a derpy case, so it's stupid. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Epitrans 100 has now shown you thingy-majiggers. Subscribe. Do all that nicey stuffy to me. I will now end on a shot of a heatsink mating with a telephone card. Wait, what do you call those telephone cards? get a room. Jeez.